Pleasant morning, everyone. I'm Alissa Belia Suarez, 19 years old, a second-year BS Architecture student in Cebu Institute of Technology University. A little fun fact about me is that my parents consider me as their very own miracle baby because they conceived and waited 15 years because the doctor couldn't guarantee that I would be born. This has been a reflection of my upbringing. I believe that I am not scared to try anything else. Before pageantry, I actually tried 6 different sports just so I could find my niche. And I couldn't change a thing. Now I am happy here and grateful to represent Barangay Yunbi. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, my name is
Alisa, sir.
Alisa. Yes, I'd like to introduce ourselves. I'm very Alas. We have here our test department is the high. As a function, 5 6 is our minimum requirement because if you be in this compound, after you might buy or you have opportunity to be the Mutya because that is why pageant, and then if you be in this Mutya or whatnot, and you will have the opportunity to be in this university things, and that's the efforts of our governor and the first lady navigate us at this university. So then we're here to know you better. So I'd like to give the floor to Sir Dilema.
Good morning, sir.
So, again, where are you from?
I'm really from Bohol, but I'm currently studying in CIT, so I'm temporarily live there.
So, how many years, for how many years have you been here? Almost 10 years. So, I've been commuting here since ako yung buha for 11 years. Most of my duration here for 3 months or 4 months committed. So, as the director, overall director for Miss Mama Jabado, sa mga country na really from Mama. Okay. So, more than a question, how committed you are to represent Barangay Yunbi for Miss Mama?
It is actually easy for me to balance my studies while being committed here. I actually consider the factors and the risks before joining in this pageant, and I know that it would be worth it. I have an example where I could say that and prove that I am committed in both priorities. I actually joined Hiyas ng Pilipinas during our midterms exam, and what I did is I went to my professors, I told them about how my commitments are. I took exams before the exam week prior, so I was able to balance it.
Again, for my duty as a director for this pageant, if you will be the candidate for Miss Mama 2025, there is screening. What are your advocacies?
My advocacy is empowering children and women in vulnerable sectors of our community.